Hello guys, today we are going to make croissants, one of the best croissants, French croissants, original croissants for your cafe and restaurants. In this part we are going to take a dough and get a gluten test. Okay guys, we need here scales because to get a correct and perfect exact ingredients weight, because it's very important, the weight is very important for the croissant dough to get the gluten test. Temperature, we need here thermometer because the temperature is too important. Room, it should to be 18 centigrades. It's too important. We need here the nail thermometer to get the dough temperature. Okay guys, here we have 500 grams of the flour. I'm using 250 grams of T45 flour, 250 grams of T55 flour. You can use 500 grams of caputo because you should to use high protein flour. Here we have 7.5 grams of milk powder, 12.5 grams of salt. You can use 10 grams also. Uh, we have 62 grams of sugar, 7.5 grams of honey, 62 gram and half butter, 115 to 120 grams of water. Cold water is you should to put in the freezer to get a freeze little, 4 degrees, 4 centigrades, and 95 grams to 100 grams of milk. And I'm using fresh yachts, 24 grams fresh yachts. We are taking all of them, and in the one bowl we will put in the freezer to froze every ingredients, but not yachts. Don't put yachts in the freezer because it should not to be freeze. And we will put in the freezer for 4 hours or 5 hours or one day before using to get the dough. And we are using these ingredients. Okay guys, here this is our dry ingredients. I'm putting the bowl in the mixer. We are mixing 2 minutes only dry ingredients in the first speed. Okay guys, here we are mixing dry ingredients in the first speed, only dry ingredients to mix together. After we are adding uh, milk, 95 grams to 100 grams, and 4 centigrades of water, 120 or 150 grams of water. We are putting the bowl in the mixer in the second speed. This time we are using in the second speed to get everything mixed. After we will add fresh yachts. Here everything is going to mixing together. Milk, water, and dry ingredients. We have yachts, fresh yachts, and butter. We will add after. Now everything mixed together. We are adding fresh yachts, 24 grams of fresh yachts, and we are mixing again for 1 minute in the second speed also. Second speed for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we are adding butter, slow, slow. Now everything is mixed. We are adding butter in the 2 or 3 parts. Temperature is too important. We should to take the temperature. The first temperature should to coming in the 14 centigrades. After 14 centigrades, we will put in the freezer. We will put in the tray in the freezer to reduce from the temperature, and we will mix it again until 24 centigrades. This is our dough after mixing, and this temperature is 14. Now we are putting it dry. Put some silicones because not going inside any air, and it's not going to dry. We will put in the freezer for 25 minutes or 40 minutes. Now is half centigrade. We will mix it again until 24 centigrades. We should to take the temperature every 5 minutes because be careful, the temperature is not going higher than 24. After 24 we will get 24 centigrades. Now is our dough is 24 centigrades. We will take the gluten test. We will massage it first. See my hand, I'm using like that. This is the gluten test. We are taking the gluten test. This is one of the best and professional croissants dough with the best material, with the best test and everything. This is the one of the best gluten test, professional gluten test you can get. You can just try and follow this video. You can see my finger, but it's not getting damage. This is one of the best gluten tests. Now we are making massage our dough for 5 times making massage. We will put silicone for 10 minutes. We will put in the room temperature in the room, but not it should not to be hot too much. We will put in the room for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will massage it again, and after we can put in the freezer. This is second time. We are making massage again for 5 times. Put telephones and should to be rest for 10 minutes again. This is our dough after mixing, after gluten test, after resting and massage everything. Now we are wide it and make it some square, and we will put in the freezer for 12 hours. We will put in the tray. We will put some silicone on the tray because not going any air inside because not getting dry. And we will put for 12 hours in the freezer to get full frozen before we are using. We will put in the refrigerator for 6 hours. After we can use this one. It was part 1. You can follow and subscribe and wait for part 2 because we are get learning here one of the best and professional croissants. Thank you for watching.